Hello, are you tired of dealing with stubborn belly fat, uncomfortable bloating and constant hunger pangs? Look no further. Juice to lose bell fat, disinflate, take the hunger and intestine, easy, tasty, fast and inexpensive is here to save you. This powerful and tasty juice is packed with ingredients that can help you achieve a slimmer waistline, reduce inflammation, suppress appetite and support a healthy digestive system. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of this juice and guide you through the simple process of making it at home. But first, already enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our health tips, and activate the little bell to receive notifications. And it is also very important that you forward this knowledge to your friends and family. Because when it comes to our health, it is essential to share information to promote prevention and take care of everyone's well-being. So share it. And tell me, do you drink natural juice? Do you drink juice before or after training? What part of the United States or the world are you from? Write it down. Let's go. Juice to lose bell holder, DISINFLUEN, make you hunger and intestine, easy, tasty, fast and inexpensive. What's in it? To experience the fantastic effects of the juice to lose belly, disinflamming, goodness and intestine, easy, tasty, fast and cheap, you need to know the key ingredients that make it so effective. Let's take a closer look. Ingredient number 1. Pineapple. The first ingredient in this fantastic juice is pineapple. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals and enzymes, pineapple helps stimulate digestion, reduce bloating and support weight loss efforts. Its natural sweetness adds a delicious flavor to the juice, making it a tasty treat. Ingredient number 2. Cucumber. Adding cucumber to your juice to lose burge, DISINFLUEN, remove hunger and intestine, easy, tasty, fast and inexpensive is a smart choice. Cucumbers are hydrating and low in calories, making them an excellent ingredient for weight management. They also contain antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support a healthy gut. Ingredient number 3. Mint. The refreshing flavor of mint enhances the flavor profile of this juice, while providing numerous health benefits. Mint aids digestion, soothes stomach aches and helps relieve bloating and gas. It also adds a delicious aroma to the juice, making it even more appetizing. Ingredient number 4. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful ingredient known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to aid digestion. It helps reduce bloating, calm an irritated gut, and improve nutrient absorption. The subtle spicy touch of ginger in the juice adds a tangy touch to the flavor. Ingredient number 5. Lemon. Lemon is a tangy and refreshing addition to juice to lose belly, DISINFLUEN, remove hunger and intestine, easy, tasty, fast and inexpensive. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help strengthen the immune system, improve digestion, and detoxify the body. Its citrus flavor perfectly complements the other ingredients and adds a touch of freshness to the juice. How to prepare the juice to lose belly, DISINFLUEN, keep hunger and intestine, easy, tasty, fast and inexpensive. Now that we know the main ingredients, it's time to learn how to prepare the juice to lose belly, DISINFLUEN, remove hunger and intestine, easy, tasty, fast and inexpensive. Follow this simple step by step. Ingredients: 1 slice of pineapple, 1/2 cucumber, mint leaves to taste, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, juice of half a lemon. Water, optional, to adjust the consistency. Directions: 1. Peel the pineapple and cut it into small pieces. 2. Peel the cucumber and cut it into slices. 3. Wash the mint leaves. 4. Place the pineapple, cucumber, mint leaves, grated ginger, and lemon juice in a blender. 5. Add water if a more liquid consistency is desired. 6. Blend all ingredients until smooth. 7. Pour the juice into a glass and serve immediately. To write down the ingredients and the way of preparation and get easier to make this amazing juice, I will leave fixed in the first comment for you to check and make this amazing recipe. Tips and variations. If you want a sweeter juice, add a little honey or natural sweetener of your choice. To intensify the digestive benefits, add a pinch of cayenne pepper or cinnamon powder. Try freezing pineapple and cucumber chunks for a cold and refreshing juice. If you prefer a smoother texture, strain the juice before serving. Here are the frequently asked questions about juicing. 1. Does the easy, tasty, fast and inexpensive juice for weight loss, de-inflation, hunger relief and intestinal health really work? Yes, this juice can be an excellent addition to a healthy, balanced diet. The ingredients present, such as pineapple, cucumber, mint, ginger, and lemon, have properties that can aid in weight loss, reduce inflammation, suppress appetite, and improve bowel function. 2. How often should I take the juice to lose belly, DISINFLUEN, make hunger and intestine free, easy, tasty, fast, and inexpensive for best results? It is recommended to take the juice to lose belly, to DISINFLUEN, to hunger and to intestine, easy, tasty, fast, and cheap daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. This will help stimulate the digestive system and provide the nutrients needed for the day. 3. Can I substitute any of the ingredients? You can customize the juice according to your preferences and needs. However, it is important to remember that each ingredient plays a specific role in the benefits of the juice. Therefore, try to stick to the main ingredients, such as pineapple, cucumber, mint, ginger, and lemon, to get the desired results. 4. What other benefits besides belly loss and deflation can the juice offer? In addition to aiding in belly loss and disinflammation, the juice to lose belly, disinflamming, make you hunger and intestine, easy, tasty, fast, and inexpensive can also provide a number of other health benefits. It can strengthen the immune system, improve skin, increase energy, combat fluid retention, and promote detoxification of the body. 5. Can I store the juice for a long time? For maximum benefits, it is recommended to consume the juice immediately after preparation. The fresh ingredients and nutritional properties are preserved when the juice is consumed fresh. If you need to store it, keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator and consume within 24 hours. 6. Does the juice replace a healthy diet? The juice to lose belly, DISINFLUEN, remove hunger and intestine, easy, tasty, fast and inexpensive is an excellent addition to a healthy and balanced diet, but it should not replace a full meal. It is important to maintain a varied diet, rich in nutrients and suited to your individual needs. So juice to lose belly, DISINFLUEN, keep you home and intestine, easy, tasty, fast and inexpensive is a delicious and affordable option to promote a healthy gut, reduce inflammation, control appetite and achieve a leaner belly. With natural ingredients and full of benefits, this juice can be a valuable tool in your health and wellness journey. Try making the juice to lose belly, disinflamming, smooth and intestine, easy, tasty, fast and inexpensive at home and enjoy all its benefits. Take care of your body in a simple and tasty way. Did you like the video? We hope this information was useful for you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, activate the little bell to receive notifications, comment on your questions and suggestions, and share with your friends and family. I will leave 2 relevant recommendations here that are appearing for you and remember to subscribe. And until the next video. Thank you very much.